Running the fuck. This was a term that Betty coined. It was even in her journal, right, Carlin? That's where you found it?
In 1972.
Mhm.
And it was her saying, hey, I know what I prefer. And then if I'm with a partner and I express that, am I a bitch? I don't know. But here's how I can have an orgasm every time with a partner. And she listed all the sex acts that brought her pleasure and how to take
Mhm.
turns and
Mhm.
how to communicate. And really, in 1972, that was a huge novel concept.
Carlin, it's still a novel concept, which is why you're teaching a class Saturday, December 6th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. What's included in the class, Carlin?
Well, you can join us live. And if you
Mhm.
can't join us live, you can have the recorded lecture and then all the materials. And I think the resources are
Mhm.
what's really important here because it's easy to say, oh, communicate what you need or tell your partner what you want next, or if something's too
Mhm.
hard or too light, or you want it to the left or to the right. But how do we do that?
Right, exactly. And you've got that great clip of a lesbian couple communicating during sex because we can't do it until we see a model of it.
We have to understand. So, what does it mean
Mhm.
taking turns? It means I know what my orgasm buildup is, how much time I need. My partner knows. I know the things that bring me pleasure. They know the things that bring them pleasure. And we take turns and we communicate. How is that? Do you like this? I need more time. Who starts first? It is at a certain point just technical,
Mhm. Right,
right? So it's
right.
self knowledge and then the ability to communicate that and how we do it. Because I think if we hold on to it and something in the moment isn't feeling right, and then it comes out with judgment or anger, to
Mhm.
see a couple do it in a playful, light,
Yes.
erotic way
Yes.
is
Yes.
really powerful.
Mhm. We get so many questions about partner sex and how to take body sex into partner
Mhm.
sex. And this is the class that will shed light on it all.
Exactly. And then there are guided audio podcasts. So I did a
Mhm.
guided genital massage for both partners to do, whether you have a vulva or a penis. And that's part of it, like creating the sex energy in our body and then
Mhm.
connecting to our partner and letting that sex energy flow between us.
Mhm.
I think that's what makes partner sex so special is that it's feeling the energy well up in me and then I share it with my partner and then it magnifies and then comes back. And so it's this giving and taking and sharing. So if you would like to join us, you can go to calendly.com/Carlin Ross and you'll see December 6th and you can register right there. And if you can't make it live, you can always watch the recorded session. You will miss out on the live Q&A, which is my favorite part.
And if you can't find it on Calendly, go to bodysex.com/classes. And a bigger description and a link to register will be right there.